Hello, my name is Brynjar Amundsen and you're a Norwegian language teacher. Today we will talk about the easy to use modal verb KUNNE, can, could. Where the very simple function of it. This is the function of being able to do something. Can you do it? Kan du se på det? Kan du gjøre det? Kan du hjelpe meg? Right? Here. Very straightforward, very similar to English, easy enough to get into your vocabulary, not a problem. But of course, remember, this is a modal verb, so you scratch off the å at the infinitive verb of the one you use after. Jeg kan se det, jeg kan høre deg, jeg kan lese, jeg kan snakke engelsk, jeg kan snakke litt norsk, right? And then you have the past tense of it, kunne, right? The tricky bit about this one is that it can sometimes be used, the past tense, when you actually mean the present tense as a polite form, same as in English, like could you please do it for me, right? Kunne du være så snill og sendt meg salt eller noe sånt. Kunne du hjulpet meg med dette, vær så snill. Right? Could be used as well. But you also have the past tense of it. Jeg kan gjøre det I går. Jeg kunne se på det I går, right? You have the past tense, everything you could do. Just remember to get in both the present tense and the past tense of these verbs because they open so much of your vocabulary up, and I hear so many of my students struggling with this. So yes, just remember, keep practicing on that and just have to try to kind of make that switch in the present tense, past tense, because when you talk, when you get better, it go quite fast in the conversation when you use them. They are so practical, these things, so yeah. Kunne, jeg kan gjøre det nå, kunne gjøre det I går, and so on. Very straightforward, really. Again, thank you for watching. Ciao.